Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
Outdoor and building planning is used for projects, for complex projects that have more than one room and that don't have a plan. The process is the same or almost the same, but this time you'll have to make or to draw your buildings, stories, and all that manually. You don't have a plan, so you'll have to make everything on your own. For example, if I click on draw new building, if I start here, my building, for example here, the length is gonna be like 10.5 meters, then enter, and then this distance here is, for example, 8 meters, enter. I will come back here again, 10 meters, 0.5, or let's make it something like 6 meters, and the angle is 90. Then I will come down for 4 meters, 0.5, and the angle is 90. Again, you play with the tab button on your keyboard, and then you come here for 4.5 meters, press tab a second time, then you type 90 and then enter, then you right click and close the polygon. That is the way you work when it comes to outdoor and building planning. Same thing if you are working on an outdoor project. You go to draw floor elements, either rectangular, circular, or polygonal. Let's say it's a rectangular floor element, and let's suppose it's an outdoor and indoor project. You draw the floor element like this. In 3D view, it will look something like that. As for these dimensions, you can, if you didn't set them in the beginning, you could set them here. Let's say like 30, then 20. This height is by default 0.1. And it looks like this right now. You can also move it to any direction you'd like to. Something like that, for example.
Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.